Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, and I'm back at Aldi, and I'm going to get a week of groceries. I'm going to try so hard to use things that I have on hand that have had shipped to me and not buy a ton at Aldi and Meijer, but you know, I always love to see what's new in Aldi and what's in store, so let's get in, get the goods, and don't forget at the end, I'm going to share with you my meal plan, and any recipes I use will be linked below. Let's go. Okay, so I have never bought these, but I want a fruit and a cheese and cracker board for New Year's Eve, and these were on there. I'm pretty sure it was this one. They were the best things ever with like a cream cheese spread on them. So yummy. $3.19. It maybe could have been cranberry, but I'm pretty sure it was the raisin. Delicious. But the amount of crackers that we have open in my pantry is ridiculous. I need to walk away from crackers. I am buying these because I had regrets of not buying them last time. $1.99. My kids go back to school and I need brownies for Elsie's lunch. $1.89. It was a great break, but we all need routine again. I love to stack up on naan when it's red sticker clearance, but I'm out of it and I need more because one, my son really loves pizzas. If he doesn't like dinner, he's super picky. I make him a non-bread pizza, super simple. And then two, these are great for the toaster, and I thought my girls would really like to toast these and put za'atar on there. And za'atar is a seasoning they got used to when they went to a daycare of a Lebanese woman, and it's really yummy. You toast, put butter, and then you put za'atar on it, and I thought they'd like that. It's very comforting to them from long ago.
Can't find za'atar at my local grocer, so I turned to Thrive Market for it. Whether it's replenishing my spice shelf or getting fun, quality ingredients for a movie night, Thrive Market makes shopping so much easier and faster for me. One of my favorite things is Thrive Market's Buy It Again feature. It's like my personal shortcut to restock all of the items I use regularly, like popcorn kernels, unique spices, or my daughter's favorite peppermint tea, without hunting through endless aisles. But what really sets Thrive Market apart is how personalized it is. With over 90 diets and values to choose from, whether gluten-free, vegan, you can personalize your shopping experience in just a few clicks. It's perfect if you're shopping for a specific lifestyle, like me with a vegetarian daughter, or if you're simply looking for clean, high-quality ingredients. And the best part, everything arrives right at my doorstep and it's so well packaged. Click the link in my description or go to http://thrivemarket.com/groceryaddict to receive 30% off your first order and a free gift valued up to $60 when you join Thrive Market today. Trust me, shopping for my non-basics just got a whole lot simpler. Thanks, Thrive Market. I love the smell of peppercorns. Now let's get back in store.
$4.65 for the naan. I'm still working my way through way too many random foods in my fridge, but I need cilantro. We are having ramen, and I love to put cilantro on top. 65 cents. I need spinach. I'll eat this in salads or on my ramen. $1.49. Two things of mini cucumbers at $1.89 a piece. All three of my kids like these in their lunch. With the ramen dinner, I'm going to make the Asian chopped salad kit. We all like this. $2.89. My kids asked me to get more Honeycrisp apples. I'm going to get 2 bags at $2.69 a piece. They just love apples. Super simple. I'm running low on onions, and I want to get yellow onions for $1.69 and sweet onions for $1.99. I'm getting a bag of each. My high schooler wanted me to get her these for before her basketball games. I'm gonna get her a pack at $2.19. We have some of these in my pantry, but I don't have enough to get through the week. Mandarin oranges for Elsie at $2.19. I need vinegar for cleaning my produce, adding the cleaning solutions for $2.99. I know it seems like I'm not buying any vegetables, but I swear to you, we have so much left from Christmas time. Like, random carrots here, a couple celery stalks, so much, and I'm using it up this week. Okay, so they have very much a lot of the same stuff that I saw last week. I don't see a ton added new yet. I thought these were interesting, the pod covers. I saw something like this on The Price is Right for $40, which, you know, I would never pay that, but these are only $6, so go Aldi. Oh, I didn't see these last week. A financial planner. Girls just want to have funds. Love it. Yes, we do. A premium planner. So that one's just called a premium planner. But yeah, those are cute. $6.99. A dirty chai latte candle. That's misplaced, but it's cute. They have more of different organization, food storage, wine glasses. I do like this cutting board. The ceramic tumblers are cute. Reusable straws. Color changing, $3.99. Different water bottles. The cake stand is really pretty. Cupcake stand. Lots of cute decor items, which we all know I'm not good with. That's really cute. Pour some sugar on me. Coffee bar accessories. I love you a latte. Fresh brewed coffee. Those are all cute. $4.99. I like them all. This is a very tempting set for me. $14.99. But I've made a commitment to not buy any new clothes this year, so I will walk away. New clothes for myself. Okay, I'm gonna grab one of these. I have a daughter who just got her learner's permit, and next year she'll have her license, so I definitely think this is a really good value. I thought of that last week as I was editing, and I saw these. It just seems like such a good price, and you never can find them when you actually need them. So $4.99. Hopefully I remember it next year. I'm making a tomato pesto pine nut pasta. So I need pesto, $1.99. We are almost out of white sugar, so my husband put more on the list. $2.75. 98 cents for a box of farfalle for the sun-dried tomato pine nut pesto dinner. Ooh, they have so much burrito again here. Yummy. I'm actually pretty tempted to buy it again. Use or freeze by January 24th. They don't always have this, so you know what? I'm gonna strike while the iron's hot. I am gonna buy it. $12.51. I do have chicken on the meal plan, but I'm gonna buy rotisserie chicken, and I have my red sticker chicken from last week in the freezer. They do still have some ground beef, 30% off, but I still don't have the capacity to prep that. My son really likes these cheese calzones, and they have one $1 off, so it'll be $1.39. I'll surprise him with that. He'll like it. The amount of cheese I have in my fridge is absolutely ridiculous, and I don't know how we'll eat it all, but it's a task I am up for. But I need to stay away from the cheese, please. Okay, so they have turkey burgers, they have chicken fries still, turkey breast roast. I've heard these wheat rolls are really good. I still haven't bought them. Only 9 rolls in there. I'm actually going to be trying to make some rolls this week with bread dough, so I thought about skipping those, but with only 9, I think I'll go with my original plan. Ham juice, different pizzas, beer cheese ravioli. That sounds so yummy to me. Veggie fries over there, made with different veggies, a couple different flavors, eggplant cutlets, some different vegetable medleys, different shrimp things over there. So they have prepped chicken, diced chicken breast. It's $10. 32 ounces, so it's 2 pounds for $10, and it's diced for you. I might have to go get that from my freezer. I'll meet you on the other side. These are what I prep in my freezer essentially, and to have the work done for me. 4 separate pouches of chicken breast diced and individually wrapped for $10. That is such a good deal. This is perfect for like 4 nights of butter chicken. Yep, I'm getting that. My daughter Mila asked me to get her Gatorades for basketball, but they don't have any of the zeros. She likes the zero version, so I'm gonna skip and hopefully get that at Meijer. I was so distracted from the frozen chicken, I almost forgot to get the rotisserie chicken, $8.19. We'll use this in a couple different meals. One of the meals we're having is baked potato bar. I have potatoes for that, but I'm gonna make steamed broccoli, $1.15. 89 cents a piece. I had to dig. They only had 2 of the original unflavored, but I got them. So the charcuterie area wasn't there anymore, and I saw where they moved it. They moved it into the Aldi Finds food aisle, and pretty much everything is marked down. I don't see that these are marked down, but I'm gonna take a bet that they are, and I'm gonna get them. We'll probably eat them. They won't even go in the pantry. We'll eat them tonight. We love them. I don't know how much they're gonna be though. Hopefully on sale. They have all of these massagers, a heated foot massager, a neck and shoulder massager, a back massager, $16.99. Seems like a good value if they work well. I still love these pet beds. Just don't think we need them. $16.99. Okay, so there's stuff I didn't plan to get, but here is my cart. I did pretty good not going overboard or getting too much. I'm still gonna stop at Meijer, but any guess on my total? Okay, my total is $82.23. Not bad considering I bought 2 things of meat I didn't plan on getting. Now let's head to Meijer. We're at Meijer now. I had to put my coat on because it's a much larger parking lot, so let's get into Meijer, get the last bit of the goodies, and then we'll go home. I knew to get a cart this time because I'm getting Gatorades. Quick, give me a reason I need 7 bags of mini avocados. That is such a good deal. 7 for $7. But I could also get mangoes with it. Oh my gosh. Walk away, they're pretty hard. So I'm gonna walk away unless I find 7 total things, because to get the sale price you have to buy 7 things. I could get a couple mangoes, get a bag of these. You know what, screw it, I am gonna find 7 things. I'm gonna get 2 mangoes. Elsie loves these. Okay, so Gatorade is actually buy 2, get 1 free. And I'm gonna end up getting 3. Her season goes until the end of February, so I'm gonna get 2 of the zero in Glacier Cherry, and I'm gonna get 1 in orange. And it'll be $8.50 free. The good news is Mila really did like the Meijer version of these, so these are for her lunch this week, $3.79. Okay, I pulled up the Meijer app to see other 7 for $7, and I wish I would have seen that sale before I left because they had onions. That would have been great for me. But I'm gonna end up just getting 4 cans of SpaghettiOs. My girls both like these. I'll get them Disney Princess though. 4 more, so then I get 7 in the 7 for $7. Okay, so I regularly buy the Rhodes Rolls bags, but my mother-in-law makes rolls using the bread dough, I think, so I'm going to try to replicate because my family really likes those. $5.49, we'll see. Lots of kids' clothes on clearance. Look how cute this is. I miss dressing my girls and stuff like this. My husband asked me to get him some mouthwash. We're gonna go with the Blue Mint. It's $7.79. I'm so sad. My nails are coming off this Tuesday. I'll have had them 5 weeks when they come off. But someone on Instagram told me that they like to use the Kiss Impress, and I just wanted to come over here and look at them. So many cute ones to choose from. I love those. They're about $10 to $12. I'm sorry. I think it might be worth trying them. She said they stay on really good. I really like these ones. I actually really like the cow print too, but this is pretty for winter still. The lighting on the camera, you're not seeing it well. It's like a grayish purple with glitter. I really like this for a winter one. We'll try this one. It's $9.49. They have so many different ones. Okay, I needed index cards to put in a drawer. I like to have these to keep notes on. 99 cents, and just my luck, I wanted manila folders. They're right above them. I guess I'm gonna get the 20 or the 100 pack. I'd get the 24 pack, but they don't have any. So I am updating my files. Probably could use 100 more. $7.99. 99 cents. Okay, here is my random assortment of things. Obviously more than just groceries, but any guess on my total? Okay, so this wasn't $7.49, it was $4.99. It didn't even have a barcode, so they had to look it up for me, but yay, cheaper than I thought. My total is $58.13.
Transaction. Please take
Now
the receipt.
let's go home and see the meal plan. Okay, meal plan for the week. Tonight we're having fun for yourself. We're gonna use pantry items up or leftovers or pizza from last night. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we're having ramen with the Asian salad. We use ramen packs from our local Asian market called Pacific Rim. Really yummy. We love them. And then I have a bunch of toppings, including the rotisserie chicken that we can add on top. This was supposed to be a meal from last week that we didn't end up having. And then I'm gonna have it with tater tots. Thursday, I'm gonna make a Mississippi roast. I have pepperoncinis and half of the roast from last time. I absolutely loved that dinner, and I very much look forward to making this. I'm gonna have mashed potatoes and rolls with that. Friday, we're gonna have an easy pizza salad dinner after our first week back to school. Saturday, we're gonna bake potato bar. We'll have leftover bacon from the BLTs. We have lots of cheeses. We can use the rotisserie chicken. Obviously gonna make the broccoli with that. Lots of toppings. And then finally Sunday, we're gonna have a pesto pine nut pasta. You're supposed to make the chicken with this, but because I'm a vegetarian, I'll make the chicken on the side, but that looks really yummy, and I'm excited to use the pine nuts for that as well. Don't forget, now is the perfect time to check out Thrive Market with their New Year's sale. They have top products 30% off, and if you use my link, you'll save an additional 30%, and you'll get a free gift up to $60. It's the perfect time to try them out and stack the savings. So this is the meal plan, and any recipe I will use is linked below. If you want to see a shopping haul from Pacific Rim where I buy our ramen, you can check out this older video right here. It makes me want to go back there again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.